Hello learners. So in last video, we have learned about how to create an EC2 instance along with a key, right? But we have just forgot to create a security group. Means how we will be going to assign a security group inside an instance. What will be the rules or ingress or inbound rule or outbound rule inside a security group? These kind of stuff. So today we will be doing the same thing here. Okay. So let me open my old project only. Here I am main.tf. Okay. This was our old project. We have created resources like keys and EC2 instance, right? Let me just comment it out. Okay. So we will be creating security group this time. Okay. I think it's enough. Let's check one. Terraform plan. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So now if you check inside this in security group section, you will find we do have only two security groups. One is default and one is DevOps with Dev. Now we want to create our own security group, so that security group should be assigned automatically to our instance, right? So for that, just again open AWS or Terraform AWS provider. Open it. Here, search for security. AWS security group, right? Open it. Uh, default security group. Yeah, that this would work. Yeah, this would be fine. Okay, fine. Let me copy this. This thing would be fine. VPC ID if required, right? AWS default security group default. No, no, no. We need okay. Well, let's just do one thing. This for AWS Terraform security group. Just provide this and open this. Hmm. AWS security group. Yeah, I think it would fine. Yeah. Let me just copy this and we would be pasting it inside this main.tf only, right? So let's paste it at the top, right? Okay. Tags, let's provide any tag, maybe new group would be fine, right? Okay, so if you see this security group, let's remove this VPC ID because we don't need this VPC ID right now. We will be creating this security group inside our main VPC only, default VPC. So now resource is AWS security group allow TLS. Okay, and then name would be allow TLS. So we would be creating name called like this new group only. Okay, any name would be fine. Allow TLS would be fine, no issues, right? Or you also can so change according to your requirement. Fine. So now we need to allow 22 port now. Suppose we need to provide from 22 port inbound, unbound, and outbound, and just also remove this IPv6. We don't need this IPv6 right now. IPv4 would be enough. Again, and outbound is 00 means everything is allowed for the outbound, right? So this would be fine if we are creating 22. Let's suppose again we want to create more, allow more IPs here or more rules here. So for that, again, paste it here. Again, paste it here. Right. So 22, we have allowed 22. Now let's allow 80 here. Right. Now let's allow 43 here, or 80. Means this way you can allow your ports which you want to allow in ingress, right? Okay, let's create this Terraform plan. Let's see what happened right now. So it's giving some error. CIDR block, ABPC means CIDR block. The managed so people are not declared in the root volume. Okay. Okay, I think we are using this CIDR block. So we need to remove this CIDR block. Okay. CIDR, we don't need, okay. For this, okay. So it was using anything. So instead of this, we would be providing 0.0.0.0/0 for everywhere, right? CIDR block. Let's do it some automatically. See, fine. So we have changed this CIDR block now. Let me run this again. Terraform plan. Okay. Or line 36 is a security group failed to encode the value has number illiterate. Okay. Let me check this. Or you can also check how you can allow this. So it's asking to provide CIDR block like this, right? 0.0/0. Okay. We need to provide this inside a bracket only. This would work now. Yeah. Okay. See, security group will be create as we have tried Terraform plan, and inside the security group, all the rules are there. Okay, let's create this Terraform apply. Okay, so you want yes. Okay, it's creating a AWS security group with a name .new group, and it's created with the security ID, this one, right? This is a very important thing, security ID. We will be using this when we are creating new instance, right? So let's check if security group is created or not. So let me refresh it here. Okay, new group is here. And if you check the inbound rule, you will find, yes, the default rules, required rules are there for 20T, 443, 22, 80, 80, 80. Yes, ports are there and outbound rules are there. Fine. Both rules are available. So this way we can create a security group. Fine. But do you think it's the right way to provide all your security groups, means port this way? Means if you have a lot of ports, and it will be a big task to allow all the ports here. Also, this file will become too much big. So that would not be a right way to provide this way. So for this, we will be looking dynamic blocking. A section is called dynamic blocking in Terraform, where we can automate it or iterate it. So we need to define it one time, right? Okay. Sorry, guys. It's I think phone, but no issues. Okay. So right, let's start. Okay. Uh, I think this video will become too much big. I think it's enough for this video. We will be covering this dynamic blocking in next video. Okay. Bye. Thank you guys.